Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to install some new parts. Got a couple things here. This is the kill switch from Jet Prime. On the last track day I was having some ignition issues with the key, so I'm going to delete that. And also some new rear sets. Since we lowered the handlebars, I think this is what's next. Kind of get my feet up a little bit more, so let's go have a look at the bike. And here are the stock foot pegs that we're going to be replacing, and they worked out pretty well. They're fine. It's just they're a little low for anything past about, I don't know, 52 degrees of lean angle. And I'm a tall person, so my legs, if I can get them up a little bit more, I think I'll be a little bit more comfortable on the motorcycle. So what I figure I'd do through this video is just sort of walk through the steps. This isn't intended to be a step-by-step guide on how to install the rear sets, but I just figured it'd be kind of nice to see which tools I'm using and sort of the process as I go. These rear sets offer a ton of adjustability. You can see these two holes here in the center. Those are the main positions that you can put the foot peg, and then the smaller holes around the outside act sort of like an eccentric, so you can rotate that peg around and find a position that fits you best. So here's some extra parts here I'm going to put in. This is the pivot for the shifter linkage, and it gets held in with one little spacer washer and a snap ring. Goes together pretty easily. Alright, that's the shift side done, looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and start on the brake side next. The brake side of the installation was a little trickier than the shifter side, but overall is not that bad. Just a couple of things that you have to be aware of here. This little plunger is what goes up into the master cylinder, and it attaches to the foot lever there. And to get this pin out, you just got to lift that spring clip out, and then that pin pulls right out. It's a nice design. It makes it easy for reinstallation. So I like that. I'm going to put it back together now, torque everything up, and then get some shots while sitting on the bike and see what a difference it made with these rear sets.